Welcome back to another video. Today I made some brown stew chicken with red peas and rice. If you're interested in making this, let's get into it. So now we're going with some crushed garlic and pimento seeds. And we are going with, we have this sauce. We're gonna add a little to it. We're going with some Maggi chicken seasoning, some Maggi all-purpose seasoning. I'm going to go in with a little turmeric, and some paprika. We're going with onion, tomatoes, scallions, some thyme leaves, and we have some hot peppers. All right, so we're just going in and rub this thing together. To the pot, we're gonna add some cooking oil or some vegetable oil. And then we're going shake off the season them, and we're gonna put the chicken skin down in the oil. Flip the chicken then. When you have a nice rich color, we're going to remove them from the oil into a basin.